Hello to everyone and welcome to our first tutorial video that shows you the basic functions of EleQta. As you can see here, we are in our home page, which is the page that you are directed to immediately after you connect to the platform. The first thing I want to show you is about how you actually manage your user. So up here, among the different options, you will find your username listed up here. You can view the information about yourself in here, and you can also edit your profile by changing your first name, your family name, the time zone you are in. Please be careful about this. You can also select a different language between the three EleQta languages, English, French, and Portuguese. And you can change your password. To do this, you have to click on this blue change password text and enter your old password here and then enter a new password according to these conditions here, different from a previous password, at least 8 characters, at least 1 capital, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number and 1 symbol in the password. You have to enter it twice. Once you are done, you click on save and the changes will be registered by the system. So this is about how you actually edit, modify your user profile. There is an important section in EleQta, which is the help section. You can access it both by clicking on this link up here or on this blue link on the bottom of each page. If you click on this, you will access a page where first of all, you're reminded that if you click on the little question mark icons next to the different parts of EleQta, you can open help windows and explain you how to use that part. Then there's a link to download our research manual in PDF, which contains everything about the inquiry method and also about the project. So researchers are strongly encouraged to read this manual and to become familiar with it before the inquiries start. From this page, you can also access the tutorials page where you can see the videos that explain you how to use EleQta, including this one. You also have specific pages for the different data collection modes for the different kinds of work that you'll have to do. So archival tasks, mission observations, and interviews. And then you have a small link to send us an email if you have a problem. The other important basic feature that I want to show you is how you work with lists in EleQta. So as you can see, in some of the sections of EleQta, for example, the dossiers section, there are lists. These lists sometimes contain many elements, and it's difficult to find what you're looking for. So we have a number of tools that will help you with the search. Namely, over here, first of all, you can decide how many entries you want to see on a single page. So I want to see more, so I select 100, and you'll see now I can scroll down, and there's 100 entries in here. Then there is a search field here where you can enter any kind of text, and the system will filter search results that contain only the search results that contain that specific text. So let's say I'm looking for all the organizations. I can write organization in here. I can also write organization, political party if I want the system to specifically indicate. Bizarrely enough, oh yes, no, because it's spelled with Z, I think. No. Voilà. Without too many parentheses. And there we have only the political parties. So I can do a number of different searches in here. And also you can search for a dossier number. Then the other function that allows you to actually search among these dossiers is the fact that if you click on the header of the different columns, you can order them by that column in increasing or decreasing order. So the first time you click, it's going to be increasing. The second time, it's going to be decreasing. Very useful, for example, for the dossiers, because if you click on dossier twice, on dossier number column twice, you will see the last dossiers that have been created. So the ones, in case you're, for example, looking for a dossier that you have to complete, by clicking twice on this button, you will see them in the first, among the first entries in the list. You can also order dossiers by name, by type and subtype, by description even. And then at the bottom of the page, you also have your buttons here that allow you to navigate between pages. So if there are several pages of data, here you can choose among the different pages. That's it for now. The basic feature of EleQta are explained. Do not hesitate to write or contact us if you have any doubts about them.